Hey guys, Happy New Year. I'm doing a tutorial here on my fireworks. I picked up my fireworks over in Freep over here. I went through their system and I also grabbed the sound later on, which I won't show you here, but you see it in my final where I put everything together here. And I do have the completed version of the fireworks already online. Here you can add collection, refer, and you can save it over here. And you can take a look through Freep to see what it has to offer. I'm going to cross this one off. And it has a number of fireworks and a lot of videos over here that you could use, whether they're free or they're a pro version. I'm on a pro premium plan, and I use that. They give you free time on here. You could use it. You're not going to get everything that the premium has, but you can give it a try. And I enjoy Capcut. I'm new to it. I'm new to Freep. I also do Leonardo AI videos, and this Freep has a lot of great templates in here. And even Capcut even offers you to make your own thumbnails over there. And I was coming over here to Canva. I also use, and I also made my thumbnails there. And then I started making over Freep. But I believe using the Capcut version to make the thumbnails is going to be a lot easier. I'll be doing some videos on that as well. Here's the fireworks at the moment. Turn down volume if you prefer. Here were the fireworks here on this one. Here's all the effects that I placed on top. Here's all the fireworks sounds. Here's all the little whistles that go off. Tried to place them in between the blank areas. There was no sound. Lowered the sounds. Lowering them by clicking on here. Lower them this way. Or you can go up to the top up here and set up your volume. Volume was changed down here, a lot lower. Whistle effects was also changed. Not showing up there because basically have to enlarge the area. Catch on to it. And there it goes. Balance everything. The end, I have my fade outs. Fade in, fade outs down here. You can see how they're faded out. The end of the show. And I appreciate everyone. You guys take care.